Hi my beautettes, we are jumping right in with Pixi skincare. Spin the wheel. What's the deal? Oh, it's a peel. So we're gonna use this peel mask. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna apply this all over my face. While I'll apply it all over my face, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. But this stuff is definitely great, and I wanted to come and show you beautettes my skincare and what I've been using lately for my skin, since I get a lot of requests saying you know, my skin is clear. Well, sometimes. Well, I'm gonna use this Pixi cloth to remove any excess mask and just rinsed it off. And now this is my face after the mask. Yes, nice and clean, because I did like a few looks which I needed to let go. This is the glycolic boost mask. I needed this, and this has a lot of also nutriments in to make your skin tight, nice and firm. I'm showing you beauties all the residue on my mask. Now I'm gonna apply the rest of the serum on my face. I know this was short, but thank you beautettes for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you beautettes on the next video. Bye.